In today's video, I'll show you how to download Adobe Animate for free on your PC, Mac, or laptop. First, click the link in the description below. This will take you directly to Adobe's official website, where you can find the option to start a free trial. Once you're there, you'll notice a few plans to choose from, but we'll go with the business plan, which offers a 14-day free trial. That's more than enough time to explore everything Adobe Animate has to offer. After selecting the plan, you'll be asked to enter your email address. Just type it in and hit Continue. From there, you'll fill out a quick form with your personal details and payment information. Adobe won't charge you during the trial period, and you can cancel at any time before the 14 days are up to avoid any charges. Once you've completed the form, click Agree and Subscribe, and your free trial will be activated. Next, you'll create a secure password for your new Adobe account. Once that's done, you'll be prompted to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. This app is where you'll manage all your Adobe software. Go ahead and install it, then sign in using the same email and password you used to register. Once you're in, navigate to the Apps tab, scroll through the list, and locate Adobe Animate. Click Install, and the app will start downloading to your device. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few minutes, so grab a coffee or take a stretch while it installs. And just like that, Adobe Animate is ready to go. Open it up and you'll have full access to all its features during the trial period. If you're ready to get started, click the link in the description to begin your free trial of Adobe Animate and the full Adobe Creative Cloud Pro Suite today. And if this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips, tricks, and creative tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy animating!